Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Riding Pause. Today I want to share with you guys how I homemade motorcycle dog carrier for my angel. So before starting the video, like and subscribe the channel. So here are some of the glimpses of how Angel sits in the motorcycle dog carrier. Angel, you can see she's very comfortable, she's very happy with the seat, and here is the overall look of the motorcycle dog carrier along with the motorcycle. Here are some more videos of Angel. As you can see, she is very comfortable. So firstly, although I'm not going to go into details because I did not make step-by-step process, I'll still try to share with you guys as much as I can of how I made the motorcycle dog carrier. So first I went on and made the base, the cushion of the dog carrier. Secondly, as you can see, initially the dog carrier was a little bit small, so I increased the size later on. And how Angel is sitting is just adorable. These are the PVC pipe joinings that I made from the reference. And overall, here is the look of the beginning process. You can see the PVC pipe joinings are there. And for bending the PVC pipe, I used a little bit heat so that I could bend it easily and make into the shape that I wanted. So this is after the painting is done and sponges have been put on. The base is also there, and this is some more looks of the motorcycle dog carrier which I made from behind. So it, as you can see, putting on Angel and bringing her out is very easy as well. And she really enjoys standing up. It's very comfortable for her with all the paddings in the sides and the front. She can take rest when she wants, and she can stand up when she wants. This is the final product of Angel को त अगाडि बाइकमा बस्ने. यो चाहिँ जुन चाहिँ मैले बनाएँ यो चाहिँ PVC पाइपले बनाएको, and it's something like this. So जुन चाहिँ यो फोम जुन चाहिँ थियो मैले बाहिरबाट सीट कभर बनाउने दुकानहरू बनाएको, यो चाहिँ मैले आफै घरमा टालेर बनाएको. And everything is made out of PVC pipe. तल्लो पनि मैले रबरको स्ट्र्याप दिएँ, रबरको प्याडिङ दिएँ, त्यहाँ बिचमा कटिङ गर्दै यहाँनिर स्ट्र्याप अन गरेको छु so that मेरो ट्याङ्क फ्युल ट्याङ्कबाट चाहिँ स्लिप नहोस्. एन्ड या अलिक मेहनत त पर्यो, कलरिङ गरेँ माथिबाट. यो चाहिँ स्पन्जलाई मैले भित्रपट्टिबाट बाहिरबाट लेदरले कभर गरेर राखेँ. त्यो अलिअलि पेन्टिङ गर्नु बाँकी छ, तर अब अलिक हल्तारमा बनाउनु पर्यो, भोलि चाहिने हो. त्यसले गर्दा आई मेड लाइक दिस. सबैलाई चाहिँ कभर अप गरेको. एन्ड दिस थिङ कम्स अफ यु नो निकाल्नु चाहिँ यु गाइज क्यान सी कि भित्रपट्टि चाहिँ त्यो लगाएको छ, यो लेदरको छ फिटिङ. एन्ड या फिनिसिङ प्रडक्ट चाहिँ समथिङ लाइक दिस. हेरौँ अब एन्जलले मन पराउँछ मन पर्दैन, लेट्स सी है. त्यो चाहिँ अब एन्जल माथि छ. ओ सी लाइक्स इट. माथि जानु भयो अलिकति. एन्जललाई मन परेछ. चाहिँ तपाईँले दिनु यता बस. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like the video guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the channel if you like the dog carrier, and if you want more videos like this in future, do leave a comment in the comment section below.